The first thing I need to tell you is this car has 827,000 miles on the speedometer. This is Glenn. This is, let me tell you, Glenn Thorpe is with me, and this is Osric Clark, and they're co-owners of GT's Automarket 876. Morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. So, Glenn was my show for a while ago, so Glenn just bring me in. Tell me about the car first. Tell me about the car.
Well, everything original. Original motor, original transmission, California built. Everything on the VIN number and everything.
What year?
It's a 1963, you know.
Impala.
Impala.
Chevrolet.
Chevrolet Impala.
Why you have a 1963 car and you're about 13 years old? Why?
Oh God, I just love for cars in general. Just love for cars in general, but I have a special thing for classics, especially when it's clean, because there's nothing like when you park a car.
Yeah.
Like when you park a
you can turn it off? Or should turn it off?
Oh, yeah, turn it off with that.
Yeah.
Park a vintage beside any 2019 vehicle, clean, same way. It's just something to look at, you know?
Yeah. Osric, what makes it a classic car? Just this, the age?
Yes, well, the age.
So what, from about 50s, 60s, they start calling them classic?
50-year-old.
Yeah. This, did you have to fix up this or anything? Or
Well,
you can't open this?
The bonnet, everything is original, yeah? Everything is original. Want to see it?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
All right.
So you never have to do any work on it?
No work.
No work at all?
No, well, just regular service. Regular service and maintenance as any other vehicle.
827,000 miles. I still can't get over that.
Oh, God.
So, Osric, what is your role in all of this car thing now? You are what? Engineer? Are you just co-owner and boss, everybody?
Well, everything.
Everything?
We work together. We work as a team.
So your business is you sell cars?
Right.
But you don't sell classic cars?
No.
You
We
just
keep them, restore them and keep them.
You restore them and keep them?
Right.
So you bring them in at what? You bring in what? Damaged cars? What you do?
In
general, damage, used cars.
Japan from in the States and everything. And locally, we buy cars locally
and sell them.
Private owners.
What kind of look you get on the road when somebody see
the most fascinating thing I'm ever hear still, I dropped my daughter at school one morning and a little girl, I drag her father and I tell her father, I said, boy, daddy want one of them here when I grew up. Look for her good, and I said, God, this is a 1963 car, and for a 9-year-old to be crying to his father and telling him that he wants a vehicle like this in a grove, it's just something different.
Yeah, it's iconic, you know?
Is it difficult to handle?
Yeah, you have to be a driver to drive it.
Yes.
It's not like a
Because of the length of it.
length?
Yeah.
Plus it's not, what you call it?
Yeah, it's power steering.
It's
a power steering.
Yeah.
But the length of it and the width of it is not like the regular.
So you drive this regularly or you just look on it every day?
Most of the times, like when me just drive it to the mood, because sometimes me kind of feel down. So I just drive like probably every other month or so.
Yeah.
And it kind of give me a little, you know, a little vibe.
So you plan to get more classic cars or this?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Definitely. I really, my hobby becomes a business. So
yeah. You said authentic parts. You had to paint it though.
Well, the most I did from about it actually was to polish it. I had my the persons at the shop, because I have a shop that
So you never painted it or nothing, but it's in good condition.
Well, yeah, just polish it.
Yeah, I kind of suspect you don't have air conditioning.
No, back in 1963, Devil.
There wasn't any
Back
air
in
conditioning.
1963, it have some vents. It have some vents where you can get some cool breeze still.
Yeah.
But
So Osric, since you are here, tell me about the business. What other kinds of cars do you guys sell?
Well, we sell every type of cars basically. You know, we try to keep the standard a little above, so we sell sports cars and you know, vehicles that you don't see on a regular basis.
Okay.
They kind of keep our name, you know.
And these are fairly new models, or
Well, yes, new models.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to keep up with the crowd because you know, and everybody wants to be driving around
Like a
classic.
regular car. Yeah.
understand?
I was about to say police going to lock you up because you don't have a license plate. And then
Yeah,
I
man,
know
everything.
the
Right there.
license plate
Yeah.
way underneath.
Legal.
Big up key insurance and then cover me still. You understand?
No, this is
Yeah.
fantastic. I like this. All right, where's your business?
Well, it's at Mountain View Avenue presently. Actually, we're presently in the process of relocating to Portmore.
Portmore, yes.
Yeah, that's where I actually reside. So I try to keep the business
It's
as
closer.
close to home as possible.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Right, thanks a lot. This is Osric Clark in the red shirt. Good to meet you. And then
And I have another person on board, which it's Ramin Akeem Finley.
okay.
He's actually here with us now.
All right.
So.
All right,
he's-
so check them out. Co-owners of GT's Auto Market 876, soon to be located in Portmore. Going to take a break, and we come back in just a little while. Soon come.